I come to Infocom to clean glass. Hey everybody, Jeffrey Powers, Infocom 2018 with Geekazine. We're here at the Learning Glass, the original light board. We're going to show you how to geek out. Next. Hey everybody, Jeffrey Powers here from Geekazine, and we're behind the glass. You know, as a drummer, I've been behind the glass because of the sound and stuff like that. But we've got a better reason for this. This is from the Learning Glass, the original light board. And what this is basically a piece of glass with some light around it to create a light board so you can create your own original ideas. Whether you're doing some whiteboarding on here, whether you're talking about how Geekazine has been around for over 10 years, or are you talking about how you can find everything over at youtube.com/Geekazine. Isn't that cool? That's pretty cool. How does it work? Well, it's simple. It's just simply a trick. In fact, you could probably take a look. Some of the text back there is backwards. So for this to work, you basically use some software that flips the image around so it looks like it's writing opposite. So yeah, I don't have to sit there and go, okay, Geekazine, so I go geek. Let's see if I can write this backwards. Oh, that's wrong. Geek. You see what I'm saying here? It's not easy to write backwards. So why write backwards? There we go. Why write backwards when you can write forwards and let the camera do all the flip? Basically what you're buying is you're buying this nice little glass panel with the light so you can actually do the light markers on it. They have two versions of the glass, a smaller one, which is over there, and of course the bigger one. The smaller glass is $2,200, this larger glass is $7,500, but if you're doing a lot of whiteboarding, you're doing some instructional videos, if you just want to draw around my face, like a little bean and put a little face there, yeah, you can do that as well. I could see a lot of you that are doing instructional videos that this is a great way for you to get away from the whiteboard, because the whiteboard has you looking like this half the time. And you know, unless you're doing blue steel every single time, you know, that doesn't work. So it gets you in front of the screen, it gets you in front of the whiteboard, and of course you can go and you erase it and continue on in different colors. And of course, this whiteboard technology, this lightboard technology, has been around for a long time. This is pretty cool stuff. You should see me on the screen over there. It actually works in here as you're seeing, as you might be seeing, because we're flipping it back and forth as we go through here. So this is what it looks like without the flip. But then with the software, this is what happens with the flip. And they're making an iPad app so you can, for all you home-based bloggers, vloggers, and stuff like that, you can do this. But of course, they also have the main software. When you get the board, you get the software to flip it as you're recording. And once again, you'll also get an iPad app, which you can use for on the road, you can use in a smaller studio or whatnot. If you want to learn more, go over to learning.glass, that's learning.glass, and get yourself a original light board for your video needs, your vlogging needs, or whatnot. Like I said, a smaller version, $2,200, larger version, $7,500. Well worth it if you're doing these learning videos, and I know a lot of you enterprise technology people out there that are building your businesses, your vlogs, your YouTube channel around this type of work. This is just going to change your game. So anyway, Jeffrey Powers from Geekazine. This is what we see at Infocom 2018. Ways to build your business AV area better, faster, cooler. So anyway, you can find me over at geekazine.com, youtube.com/Geekazine. Go ahead, like, subscribe, and comment down below. Hit the bell for notification for the next video. Watch the Geekazine Live channel 24/7 streaming. You'll see videos like this on the channel. And until next time, you guys, geek out. #